Good day everyone, my name is Val Parentinos, and let's talk about cyberbullying. Do you know about cyberbullying? Let's begin. So what is cyberbullying? Cyberbullying is the use of technology to harass, threaten, embarrass, or target another person. What is the difference of cyberbullying from other bullying methods? For example, physical bullying is by being physical, like punching, kicking, and headlocking. On the other hand, cyberbullying is bullying that isn't physical. It is psychological. It affects the mental state of the victim, unlike physical bullying that uses physical contact. Cyberbullying can be done using different platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and many more platforms. Why is it harmful? It is harmful because it affects the mental state of the person being bullied. It can lead first to low self-esteem, anxiety, anxiety to depression, and worse, depression to suicide. Why there are people who enjoys bullying? The driving forces behind bullying may vary from person to person. But the bully shares some characteristics. For example, some people bully because they know that it's get them what they want, while others bully because they are deeply insecure. No matter what the cause is, bullying is unacceptable, regardless of where it takes place. How can we resolve it? There are laws about bullying. The Republic Act 10627, also known as the Anti-Bullying Act of 2013. And also, we can raise awareness about the effects of cyberbullying, encourage people to love each other, and many more. By the use of this, we can resolve this evolving problem. But if the people don't cooperate, these solutions cannot be the aid. So be cooperative and help us fight for this evolving problem. How to help if someone you know experience cyberbullying? Let them know you're there to help, not to blame them or punish them, and to actually help them or encourage them to report the abuse to the site or app where it's happening. Educate them about the proper use of internet so they cannot be bullied. In conclusion, cyberbullying is bad. So help build a better future far from different kinds of bullying. Thank you so much for listening. Goodbye and thanks to all.